Welcome to project number 3. During this project, you're going to create 3 procedures. You're going to end up recording 2 all through the macro recorder, and then we're going to get into the VBA and we're going to create our own procedure that makes calls to the 2 recorded procedures. Now, before we get in there and we start to do all of this, I want to introduce you to the project and show you just exactly what you're going to do and the concepts and skills that you're going to master here. So take a look. I've got an exercise file open. It's called cleaningupdata.xlsx. Now, you're going to download this. It's a part of this section here. This is completed. I've already completed all the work here because I want to show you what you're going to do. When you get into there, it's going to be just a brand new document. You're actually going to have an extra worksheet in there as well. So it's going to look a little bit different than what I have on the screen currently. Totally fine. All right, here's the big picture. I've got 4 worksheets. East, west, north, south. They're all very similar. They've just got data specific to the region. I got south records here. I got north records here, west and east. Same amount of columns, different amounts of data. Now I've got 4 records here. This could be, or 4 worksheets. This could be 10. It could be 100. It could be whatever. What I want to be able to do here is go through each of the worksheets, add a new row at the top of the worksheet, add headers, a region, category, January, February, March, total, and then format them, make them look good, and do that for each of the worksheets. Could you imagine? You think you come in Friday morning at work and somebody says, hey, we need that weekly report. So I go, great, okay, I got to go get the data, I got to dump it into Excel, and then I've got to clean it up, and I got to do that for 4 or 20 or 100 worksheets. Well, all through the magic of VBA, one button press, and we can get it all done for us. So the skills that you're going to master here, you're going to get back into the macro recorder, and you're going to create loops to get something to happen multiple times. Watch this. I'm going to go up to my View tab. I'm going to go to Macros, View Macros. Now, I've already created the 3 little procedures that you're going to create. There's one called Clean Up Data. Now, this is going to be really quick. When I hit the Run button, it's going to automate the experience of adding headers and formatting those headers across all these worksheets. One button, and I'm done. East has got headers, west, north, and south. One button press, you're going to accomplish all of that. Whether it's 4, 20, 100 worksheets, whatever it is. Recording and a little bit of a loop, and you're done. So get ready. This is project 3, and you're going to go through and accomplish this right here.